Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are studying chapter number 3, Subtraction. And yesterday, in our previous video, we have completed 2 word problem on the basis of subtraction. So children, today we are going to continue the same word problems which are given in your maths book. Okay children? So today is 6th July 2021 and we are doing chapter number 3, Subtraction word problems. Okay? Children, please take out page number 52 in your composite mathematics. Page number 52 and exercise number, we are going to start exercise number 3.5. Okay? 3.5. Page number 52 and exercise number 3.5 we are going to do. So I am going to write third number word problem on the board. You just write it down. So Jatin has 3,596 stamps. He collected 1,243 stamps this year. Okay? Now, how many stamps did he have till last year? How many stamps did he have last year? Okay children. Now first we are going to understand what is written over here. How can we recognize this problem is word problem? Okay? Word problem of subtraction. Okay. The problem is written in the words, that is why we are called this word problem. Okay? But how can we recognize that this word problem is based on subtraction? Okay? Yesterday in the previous video we have discussed this. But now today also I am going to repeat the first one. First we will see first line. Jatin has 3,596 stamps. It means Jatin के पास कितने stamps हैं? 3,596 and he collected 1,243 stamps this year. It means उसके पास इतने अभी हैं और उसने कितने कलेक्ट किए इस ईयर में, यानी 1,243 stamps he collected in this year. So the next line is how many stamps did he have last year? It means इसका मतलब क्या है? The question is कितने उसके पास stamps थे last year? इस ईयर उसने सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1,243 stamps को collect किया. So children, here we are going to subtract with the total ones and okay, 3,596 to we are going to minus 1,243. Then we will get the answer that how many stamps did he have last year. पिछले साल उसके पास कितने स्टैम्प्स थे? इस साल तो उसने इतने स्टैम्प्स इस्तेमाल किए. अब अगर हमें देखना है कि उसके पास कितने स्टैम्प्स पिछले साल थे, लास्ट ईयर कितने थे, तो वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट, देन वी कैन write the answer correctly. So For this we will write solution. Solution, how can we start? Children, first we will write from the first line. Okay, पहली लाइन से हम लिखना शुरू करते हैं. क्या लिखेंगे? Number of stamps. Number of stamps Jatin has. Jatin has. Okay, first line. Okay, equal to 3596. 3596. Okay. Now here number of stamps he collected this year equal to 1243. Okay. Now how many stamps did he have last year? So number of stamps he had last year. So what we will do? We will first subtract 3596. So for this we have to erase few lines of this question because we don't have much space. So that is why I am going to erase this. So number of stamps he had last year. So we will do here equal to 3596 and 1243. Okay, we are going to subtract this. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 4 equal to 5, 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 2353 stamps he had last year. उसके पास कितने स्टैम्प थे लास्ट ईयर? बताइए. When we have subtract 3596 to 1243, so what we will get? 2353. So we will write answer, children. We will write answer. Answer, Jatin had 2353 stamps last year. Okay? Okay, children? So complete it. Jatin had 2353 stamps last year. First, what we have done in solution? First, we have written over here number of stamps Jatin has. तो total number of कितने उसके पास stamps है? First we will write this and then number of stamps he collected this year. इस साल में उसने कितना collect किया? That is 1243. Now number of stamps he had last year. तो इसको निकालने के लिए we have to subtract 3596 to 1243. We will subtract this. What we will get? 2353. So here Jatin had 2353 stamps last year. So write it down, children. Take a screenshot. And now we are moving to the next one. Okay. Now next question is number 4. Number 4 we are going to do. Okay. Number 4. And as you all know, exercise 3.5 we are doing. Okay. So we are doing this. Now number 4 is Ayush bought 5,788 pairs of shoes in January for his shop. Okay. On 1st February, he had 1,475 pairs left. how many pairs did he sell in January? Okay, now here you can see Ayush bought 5,700 pairs of shoes. कितनी उसने शूज़ खरीदी? 5,788 for his shop in January. On 1st February he had 1,475 left. अब उसके पास कितनी बच गई शूज़? 1,475 शूज़ बच गई. तो अब क्वेश्चन क्या है? What is the question? How many pairs did he sell in January? It means उसकी शॉप है तो ये पूछ रहे हैं, ये क्वेश्चन है कि how many pairs of shoes he sold. Okay, so let's start. Write down this word problem in your copy. So Ayush bought. Bought मतलब समझते ही हैं, buy का past form is bought. Okay, buy मतलब खरीदना. Bought 5,788. Okay, pairs of shoes. Pairs of shoes, children. Pairs of shoes in January. In January. Okay, for his shop. For his shop. Okay, now on 1st February, he had 1,475 pairs. 1,475 pairs left. बची यानी. How many pairs did he sell in January? How many pairs did he sell in January? In January. It means आयुष ने 5,788 pairs of shoes खरीदे और क्या हुआ in January? उसने जनवरी में किया for his shop. On 1st February he had only 1,475 pairs were left in his shop. So how many pairs did he sell in January? तो अब क्वेश्चन है कि उसने कितने pairs of shoes को बेचा. Okay, so for this we have to subtract from the total one to this pair. What is left? So that is how we can take out the correct answer of this question. So now children, for this we have to write down solution. So let's write solution here. How can we start? From the first line, number of pairs of shoes you can write down, of shoes bought, Ayush bought. So how many? 5,788 equal to 5,788. Okay, 88 you just write it down. Okay, now number of shoes, okay, in January for his shop. On 1st February, number of shoes, number of pairs, you can write it, number of pairs left on 1st February equal to how many left? There is 1,475 1475 is left. Okay, now we have to take out that how many pairs did he sell in January. Okay, so just write it down, this 2-line solution, and I am going to write the third line at the top of this after. You just write it down, and now we are going to write here third line. Okay, third line, number of pairs he sold, number of pair he sold, है ना, कितनी पेयर उसने सोल्ड करी इन जनवरी. ओके, इक्वल टू, आप देखिए इसको निकालने के लिए व्हाट वी विल डू फर्स्ट, वी विल राइट 5788 minus 1475. Okay, we will subtract first. 8 minus 5 we will get 3. Okay, 8 minus 7 we will get 1. Okay, now here you can see 7 minus 4 we will get 3. 5 minus 1 we will get 4. So the answer is 4313. The answer is 4313. Okay children, so write down answer also. I am going to write on the board. You can see answer $4,313 pairs of shoes Ayush sold in January. Okay, so answer is written over here. What is answer? 4,313 pairs of shoes Ayush sold in January. Okay, Ayush sold in January. Write it down. Now here children, you can see what we have done. We have done number of pairs he sold in January equal to 5788 minus 1475. Okay, so answer we will get 4313, and answer we have written in words because this is a word problem, so we have to write the answer in word. So 4313 pairs of shoes Ayush sold in January. How many pairs of shoes Ayush sold? Ayush sold 4313 pairs of shoes in January. So answer you can write. Okay, now after that we are moving to the next question, that is number 5. So 5 I am going to read. You just read with me. Vicky and Ritu collected a total of 451 coins. Ritu alone collected 285 coins. How many coins did Vicky collect? Now children, here you can see Vicky and Ritu. There are two persons, collected a total amount of 451. It means 451 coins, मतलब सिक्के उन्होंने collect किए. Ritu alone collected 285. 451 में से रितु ने अकेले 285 coins को collect किया. How many coins did Vicky collect? So when we subtract 285 from 451, then we will get that how much this Vicky had collected. So children, for this we have to write word problem first in your copy, then we will start solution children. Okay, for this I have to erase the board. Okay, let's start writing our next word problem, that is number 5. Okay children. So number 5 is Vicky and Ritu. Number 5 is Vicky and Ritu. Okay, there are two persons collected a total of collected a total of 451 coins. Coins means सिक्के होते हैं, ठीक है. Ritu alone collected. Ritu alone मतलब अकेले, ठीक है. Ritu alone collected individually. She collected. Ritu alone collected 285 coins. 285 coins, children. Okay. Now how many coins? How many coins did Vicky collected? Did Vicky collected? Now children, this is question. Now first we will understand first line. Vicky and Ritu collected a total of 451 coins and Ritu alone. Ritu individually collected 285 coins. तो अब क्वेश्चन क्या है? How many coins did Vicky collected? कितने coins Vicky ने collect किए? जब रितु ने इतने collect कर लिए 285, तो फिर विकी ने कितने कलेक्ट किए? तो उसको निकालने के लिए, उसका आंसर के लिए कि विकी ने कितने कलेक्ट करे, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 285 फ्रॉम 451. दैट इज हाउ वी कैन गेट द आंसर. सो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट you will write this word problem in your copy, then we will start writing our solution. So write it down or take a screenshot. Okay children, so now I am going to write solution of this word problem. Okay, so here solution I am going to write number 5 question we are doing. So first we will write number of coins they had collected. Okay, कितने या both had collected. So how many coins they both had collected? 451 coins. Okay, now here again we will write number of coins Ritu collected. So here you can see how many coins are there? 285. Okay, now number of coins, this is Vicky. Okay, number of coins Vicky collected. So how we will write the correct answer? First we have to subtract 451 to 285. Okay, so now subtract first we will subtract. How we will get answer? That Vicky had collected how many stamps? So what we will do, here you can see 1 is there and 5 is there. So what we will do, we will ask help from 5 tens. So this 5 tens will give help to this ones. So here it has become 11. Okay, and here 4 is left only at the tens place. So here 11 minus 5 you will get 6. Okay, now 4, again 4 is there, is very lesser number than 8. Again this tens will ask help with this 100. 100 will give 1. Okay. Now what is left over here? 300. Okay. Now 14 minus 8. So what we will get? Again 6. Okay. Now because here 3 is left and 2 is there. So 3 minus 2, what is? 1. So total amount, total coins, Vicky collected 106. You will write answer, Vicky collected 166 coins. Okay. Vicky collected 166 coins, children. So complete it. Here this is subtraction and subtraction with borrow we are doing. So that is why here you can see 1 is there. So 1 is not capable to subtract 5. So that is why we asked help from tens ones. Here you 5 ones is there. 5 1 has given 1. 10 to this ones 1. So here it will become 11. 11 minus 5 we will get 6. And here, so now children, here you can see this 4 tens become, this is 4 is left over here. So 4 is smaller than 8. So what we have to do? We have to ask help from 100. So 400 will give 1 to this 4 ones. So it will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now here, because this 400 has given 1, so that is why it will become 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, children. So that is how we will get 166. So here, Vicky collected 166 coins. This is the answer. So write it down in your copy and complete this. Now we are moving to the next one. Next one is 6 number. Okay, children. This one you will get on. You can find this question on page number 53 in your maths book. So now I am going to read this. Anu bought 200 bottles of milk in the months of April and May. She bought 98 bottles in April. How many bottles did she buy in May? Now here children, Anu bought 200 bottles in 2 months. The months are April and May. And she bought 98 bottles in April. यानी 98 bottles सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसने April में खरीदी. So how many bottles did she buy in May? The question is how many bottles did she buy in May? यानी मई में उसने तब कितनी बोतल खरीदी थी. ठीक है. तो अभी आपको first of all you will do this question. You have to write in your copy first. Then we will solve this. Anu bought 200 bottles of milk. Anu bought 200 bottles of milk. Okay, in the months of April and May. In the months of April and May, children. Okay, in both months she bought only and only 200 bottles. Now she bought 98 bottles in April, 98 bottles in April. Okay, only in April. So how many bottles did she buy in May? How many bottles did she buy in May? Okay. this question, first we will read this question. Anu bought 200 bottles of milk in the months of April and May. 2 months में उसने 200 bottles खरीदी. Okay. But here the question is, she bought 98 bottles in a month, in April. यानी अप्रैल में उसने 98 bottles खरीदी. How many bottles? 98 bottles. Now the question is, how many bottles did she buy in May? यानी क्वेश्चन क्या है कि अप्रैल में तो उसने 98 bottles खरीदी. अब मई में उसने कितनी बॉटल खरीदी थी? तो दैट only and only when we will subtract from 200 to 98, then we will get the correct answer. So children, this is your homework, so complete it. Solution you will write, and we will meet and solve together in our next class. Okay? So children, practice it, complete it, and we will meet again in our next class. Till then, bye-bye and take care.